That's a little bit of water. It's just mud. Did you see that big rock that was laying here for a long time?
Yeah.
That one? That was in the street the day it came up. Like, in the middle. That was a big one. Let's see how well we do. It'll get worse down there at the...
Yeah.
I'm probably going to have to get out and move rocks.
Where the trail is.
Yeah, it's pretty bad down there. Nice chicken, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, look at them rocks going
Yeah.
across there. It's just moving rocks like nothing. And then they're coming back. Oh yeah. Well, that's a good sign. Car coming up.
That's true.
That means either he moved the rocks for us, or he just drove over them.
I think it might have been Kesley, so I'd say
Oh, it might have been.
right over.
Oh, maybe look at all that water coming down. Yeah. It started raining at what, 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
4 o'clock right now. I'm surprised it's not that bad. This is pretty good. Last time I came up, it was worse. Oh yeah. A few rocks. Oh, we must be still in the cloud. I think we'll get out of this soon.
It's all a puddle.
Yeah, that's a big puddle. I'm surprised. It's not too terrible at the moment.
No, it is surviving.
There's a couple of rocks on the other side of the road. Down there where you got that deer hit you, it's really, that day I came, it was really flooded water and coming through there. Like,
I didn't know that area
like a
flooded.
foot, like a foot nuts coming up the mountains, just running, just going through there to the other side. It was like a foot of water easy in there. It was just mud.
Where the deer hit me.
Well,
I did not hit the deer. It landed on my car.
Okay, fair enough. That's a pretty mud stream right there.
It is kind of big.
Just a few. Nothing you can't plaster. Somebody's got to break it up. Might as well be you. Must still be in the cloud. That's a lot of rain. Yeah,
Waterfall.
watch it. Waterfall! Oh, giant rock! Let me hit it for you. Move it out of the way. You missed the ones up there. They were cleaner. They weren't as muddy. It's running down.
I've never seen the road like this.
That day I came up, it was worse than this. Way worse than this. But this is still not great. Just a little mud. There's a little stream. I've never seen a stream run off the mountain. Oh, that's pretty good. Pretty good.